In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Binance to TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to TradingView. Simply open your web browser and in the search bar, type TradingView and hit Enter. You should see the official TradingView website pop up right at the top of your search results. Go ahead and click on that link to access the platform. Once you're on TradingView, your next step is to find the charts. Look for the Charts option on the top menu and click on it. This will bring you to a new page where you'll see a blank chart. And this is where the magic happens. Now right-click anywhere on the empty part of the chart. This simple action will open a contextual menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Add Order option. By doing this, you're telling TradingView that you want to place a trade, which is a crucial step in connecting it to Binance. Next, after you've added your order, you will see another menu appear. In that menu, find the option that says Show All Brokers. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a list of all supported brokers on TradingView. Take your time here and scroll through the list until you find Binance. It could take a moment or two depending on how your browser is displaying the options. Once you find Binance, click on it to select it. Here comes the important part. After clicking on Binance, you're going to see a Connect button. Go ahead and click that button. TradingView will now prompt you to log in to your Binance account to establish a connection between the two platforms. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Binance account. Just follow the steps as prompted in the login process. Make sure you enter your credentials accurately to avoid any hiccups. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted with an authorization screen. This is where you give TradingView the permission to access your Binance account, and it's essential for executing trades directly through TradingView. Once you have completed the login process and given the necessary permissions, voila! You are now connected. You can now monitor your Binance account directly from TradingView and even manage your trades without needing to switch back and forth between the two platforms. And that's it. You've just successfully connected Binance to TradingView. This integration allows you to utilize TradingView's advanced charting tools while executing trades seamlessly through your Binance account. If you want to dive deeper into trading strategies or enjoy more tips like this, remember to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.